What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the Galaxy S20 line of phones here in America anyway. It looks like there is an update currently rolling out. It started at around midnight last night rolling out. I saw it and I was going to do a video that early and push it up, but I was like, I'll just wait to see which phones get it. But anyway, so far it looks like only Verizon and Sprint and unlocked phones are getting it. Now I do have the unlocked version of the phone, but I don't have the update. I tried my S20 and the S20 Ultra, and again, neither of them have this update. The update itself, when you look at it, is a update that shows, it says, hey, what's new? And it's a 415 meg update, which is a fairly sizable update. But it says the security device has been improved. Now I'm already on the March update, and this one also says security March update. And when you look into the details of the update, it says a software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance, and then that's basically it. And also I've heard a mixed bag of things because this supposedly is supposed to be the camera autofocus fix. And my fans, my viewers, the ones that have tried it out said, oh yeah, there's a difference. It's about a 90% difference, not 100% better, but he said it's a 90% better difference. So if you have this update, let us know in the comments down below what you notice, if anything. And the last story of the day is about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 phone. Prepare to possibly be disappointed. And this tweet comes from Ice Universe. He goes on to say in his tweet, Galaxy Note 20's hardware specifications will not be significantly changed compared to the S20 series, including cameras. Now I look at this in a few ways. First of all, this is a phone that over the last couple of years has been very similar to the S line of phones, except it had a pen, maybe it had a little bit more RAM, maybe it had a little bit more storage or something like that. It generally doesn't have anything too crazy with it. Also, you're looking at, this is a great phone. The S line has always been a great phone, but the S20, I feel like is just that much better than what they've released in the past. It's really a complete phone in terms of performance and camera. Well, some issues with the camera right now, but nothing that can't be fixed. And to be honest, to be fair, the ones in the past have been really great as well in terms of almost perfect. But I don't know, this has really seemed like a more polished edition of what they've put out in the past, except for the few minor tweaks they need to do with the software updates. So I don't think it's that big a deal that they're gonna have basically a Galaxy S20 S Pen version of the phone, because that's kind of what they've been doing the last few years anyway. I know some of you might be disappointed, but the cameras are still great. The performance is great. I can see, I would think one of the major things is that they would probably have 16 gigabytes of RAM, maybe standard in the Note line. Maybe that would be the big difference rather than having multiple versions that have, some have 12, some have 16. I would guess most of them will have 16, and then maybe they'll have the lesser, smaller one has only 12. But what do you guys think? What do you think, besides the specs being the same and the camera being the same, what do you think is going to be different in the Galaxy Note 20? Obviously they'll have an S Pen, this one doesn't, but besides that, what do you think will be different? Let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know if you're a little bit disappointed or you're happy. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.